Here are your must-have accessories to make your grill like a pro. And all this stuff here makes grilling easier because you have the tools you need. And this is pretty much the basic stuff that you'll need. There's a lot of stuff you can get, but this stuff right here is pretty much overview. First off is the dome. Now this dome helps a lot with the eggs. When you're doing over easy eggs, you put the dome on top. It cooks a little bit with dough. Put some water on the side, boil. This helps all that. Cheese on burgers, this helps melt. So it's really great to use this. I love using this, and I know it's getting time for me to get a new one. So I'll be looking for that. Remember, all the stuff that I show here is going to be on the link in my description. There'll be links for every single one of these stuff for you guys to go get one. One of the main ones are these. Now you got your one that's a little bit bigger than the other one more skinnier, but this one's more flimsy. This is the one from Blackstone. This is the one that I got at Walmart. It's a little bit more durable. I like this one more than this one. This is lighter. I do use this every once in a while when I make tacos. The majority is this guy, so you definitely need this. Another oil, water. These are the two things you definitely need. A lot of them when you're cooking. Water's to, like I said, when you're using the dome for melting cheese, your eggs, burgers, stuff like that. You add this, and a lot of my videos, you'll see that I use this stuff a lot. So this, there's two types of sizes. There's this one, there's a bigger one from Blackstone. So this is stuff, I got this at Ace Hardware. But I'll leave a link in the description for that. Definitely, you're gonna need a scraper, because after every cook, clean your griddle. And this makes it easier to scrape all the food that's been there stuck. So this is a Blackstone scraper that we got also. I think it was a box with a bundle of, it came with this, and oh yeah, and the bottles. But you can put the bottles separate. Now, another great, makes it my life easier on the griddle. It's this heat warmer tray. And this heat warmer tray, you make it longer, shorter, it can go across your Blackstone or on the side. And I love using this. I love using this when I do, bacon, sausage. I can put it on top of the tortillas. I can put it on top of this to keep it warm while I finish cooking the rest. Or any meats you have, you put it on top of there to keep it warm. So that part is a great thing you're going to need. It's going to be this grill cover. This grill cover is something that I got for Christmas, for my birthday, my wife and daughter this year. And it's great for keeping, all the dirt, when it's windy, it just keeps it a little bit more cleaner than not having the lid. Having the lid makes everything easier for your Blackstone. Another one is the Yukon Glory. That makes it life easier too, because you can put all your stuff on it. You can put your bottles. It has holders for your spatulas that have little rings, little holes in it. So it makes that much easier. So make sure. So those are the must-haves. I believe they're the must-haves on a Blackstone griddle. The must-haves. So if you guys like what you guys heard today, make sure you leave that like. It helps the channel a lot. And make sure you guys subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.